If it is comfortable for you all, you all can sit down, but your feet should touch the ground. Okay, पैरों को ग्राउंड पे रखना है और अपना दोनों भी हाथ, लेफ्ट हैंड फर्स्ट एंड राइट हैंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स, ऑन योर हार्ट चक्रा, द सेंटर ऑफ योर चेस्ट, and feel a green light, and deeply inhale and exhale. Dear wonderful souls, thank you for joining in this beautiful meditation of ancestral healing, of calling our angels and the divine energy and light of the moon. Welcome to this beautiful meditation. Today we will work together to heal our ancestral wounds, our past life, our karmic connections, our bondages and blockages, our generational trauma, which we are carrying from the last 7 generations through our DNA, that may be blocking our growth, success, and relationship in this lifetime. We will use this powerful Ho'oponopono prayer. We will call upon the guidance of the angels. We will seek all the healing energies of the moon, the water energies, to release these burdens and embrace the life of peace, prosperity, and freedom. Sit in a quiet place where you will not be distracted at all. Take few deep breaths. Calm your mind. Feel your entire body is relaxed from your crown chakra. Feel your forehead, your head completely is relaxed. Your face, your neck, your spine, your shoulders are relaxed. Your arms, your elbows, your hands, your palm, your fingers are relaxed. Focus on your spine, your vertebral column, your hips, your buttocks, and feel they are relaxed. Focus on your chest, your heart, your abdomen, your intestine, your pancreas. And if you're carrying any kind of burden in these areas, on these organs, just relax and surrender it to the divine energies. Inhale and exhale slowly. Focus on your thighs, your knee, your calves, your legs, your ankle. Relax if you are feeling any kind of stress, tension, pain around these body organs. Feel your feet, your toe fingers, your ankle, and relax. Inhale deeply, allowing the air to fill the lungs and the body with fresh energy. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tensions, stress, worries, or pain. Before we begin, take a moment to set an intention for this beautiful meditation, to release everything that is a reason of your block in your success, in your abundance, in your relationship, in your love. Dear angels of healing and light, we call upon you now. Surround us with your protective wings. Guide us through this journey and help us heal from the pain, the bondages, and the blockages that no longer serve us. Thank you for your love and your support. Thank you for being with me, with us energetically. Your presence means a lot to us. Dear moon energies, we invite you and your powerful energies to release all that is unwanted in my mind, my body, my soul, my conscious, my subconscious mind, my memories, and plant the seeds of wisdom, of growth, of abundance. Channelize all my energies for the best of me. Now, connect yourself to your ancestors. Just visualize your parents standing in front of you, blessing you. And behind your parents, you can see the generations and the ancestors standing to support you, to guide you, to protect you throughout this journey. Feel their presence energetically. You may also have lost your loved one, your dear one. So we will also hold them energetically in this line of generations. If you have gone through any kind of miscarriages, abortions, please let us bring this soul here and heal them through whatever they have gone through. Ask forgiveness. We are sorry that we couldn't hold you in our womb for those 9 months. Just feel the energy of this child and heal them and ask forgiveness. Now take a moment and silently thank your ancestors, acknowledging their sacrifices, their struggles, and all the lessons that they have taught us. They carry strength, resilience, which they have passed on to us through their DNA. We need not carry any pain henceforth. We are here to release the wounds and the karmic ties that no longer serve us. My dear loving angels, we ask you to support us in healing the karmic ties, bondages, and traumas that have been passed down through generations. Surround each of us with your protective light and Infuse our family line with divine healing. Guide us in releasing all that has held us back from experiencing true growth, success, and loving relationships. Feel the angels arrive around you and your ancestors, standing tall with wings of radiant light. Just feel this energy of light and love. Feel this energy of light and love. The energy is filled with love, compassion, and healing. The angels are here to help you to break free from the past. Using the power of the moon energies, let us release all that is not desired in our life. Imagine a bright full moon above you, and you are standing near a beautiful river where the reflection of the moon can be visualized and felt. This moonlight is showering its blessings, its energies, which is pure. This light is dissolving all the old energies, patterns, and karmic ties and bondages that have been carried through lifetimes. Feel this moonlight gently washing away fear, guilt, shame, and scarcity that has affected you and your family for generations. With each breath out, you release these old blockages into the moon's light and they dissolve into nothing. Now feel this moonlight and visualize this dark sky filled with the energies of new beginnings. Feel the seeds of love, peace, and abundance being planted deep within your soul and the soul of your family line. With each breath in, you draw in the energy of growth and success, opening yourselves to the future free from the past limitations. Now, as we see our ancestors smiling at us, as they have been completely disconnected through all the bondages and blockages, feel the love and light radiating within us and throughout this beautiful place, this riverside, this water energy. Now let us chant the Ho'oponopono prayer for all our ancestors, for our from the side of our parents, our mother, father, our in-laws, mother-in-law, father-in-law, for all those people who have died in our family line, and for all those children who could not come to life through us or our families. Dear ancestors, I'm sorry. I acknowledge the pain and suffering that has been passed on down through my family and past lives. I'm sorry for the wounds and the mistakes and the actions that caused harm, both known and unknown, to you and to all our ancestors. Please forgive me for carrying these burdens and for any harm that I may have caused, knowingly, unknowingly. Forgive me for all, forgive me and my ancestors for repeating these patterns that have brought pain to ourselves and all our loved ones. Thank you. Thank you for the lessons, the growth, and the strength I have gained. I'm grateful for all the wisdom that I have received from my ancestors and for the opportunity to heal and release these karmic ties. I love you. All my dear ancestors, I love you for guiding me, for protecting me, for bringing all the good things in my life. I send love to all parts of me, my mind, my body, my soul, my organs, my loved ones, my family members, all those parts, those corners of my body, mind, soul, every cell that has been wounded or blocked. May the love be the guiding force that heals all the pain and restores peace. Now visualize all the old chains, the old cords, the connects, the ropes that you feel are entangled between you and your ancestors, that have been binding you and your ancestors for the past life, for the karmic connections, for the generational traumas, the bondages that have held you back. Seek these chains dissolving in the light of the moon energies. Feel the presence of the angels guiding you, protecting you, loving you. With each breath, these cords, these bondages, these blocks are falling away. And you are free. Your ancestors are free. Watch your entire ancestral line glow with joy and happiness. They are feeling complete, they are feeling whole, they are feeling abundant. For you are healed. For you feel guided and protected in this moment. The old patterns are gone, replaced by a golden light of peace and love. Your ancestors are healed, standing strong, supporting you with love and lots of blessings. They are so grateful to you for today you took this opportunity to bring all of them together under this energy of moon, to guide them, to protect them, to feel their blessings, to release yourself from all these bondages and these patterns and these karmas. For whatever they have done in their lives, dear divine energies, please forgive them and heal them. And forgive all of us and heal all of us. Now visualize this beautiful radiant light of the moon and its reflection on the riverside, and we all standing near this river, seeking this light, seeking the fresh air. The breath is so beautiful. There is this breeze that is helping us to feel vibrant, to feel energetic. Now just repeat after me in your loudly, or even if you say this light softly, it is perfectly fine. I release the past and the traumas of my ancestors. I am free from karmic bondages, and I am open to growth, success, and love. With the support of the angels and the moon, I create a future for myself and my loved ones, which is full of peace and prosperity. I carry the love and wisdom of my ancestors. I carry this forward without any pain, without any trauma, without any guilt or shame. I give gratitude, I give immense gratitude to all the angels and my ancestors and this moon energy and this water energy for guiding me, for protecting me, for healing me. I give immense gratitude to this group energy which has come together for this beautiful healing, not only for us, for all our loved ones. Thank you, dear ones, for coming here, dear energies, dear ancestors. We honor the past, but now we are free and we look forward to live an abundant life. Returning to the present, feel yourself where you are at your home. Feel grounded. Take a deep breath. Feel this present moment. Feel how light and beautiful you're feeling, as if so much of weight has already released from your mind, your body, your soul. While you're feeling all these emotions, also give lot of gratitude to your parents. Because of them, we have seen this beautiful world. Because of them, we are born as humans, and we could witness love, joy, peace, abundance in our lives. We could emotionally get connected to our life partners, our children. Give immense gratitude to our parents, because of whom we have seen this wonderful and beautiful life. Also, ask them for forgiveness, because so many times we couldn't be available for them. We couldn't give them the time that they truly deserve from us. We couldn't say, I love you to them enough. We kept little things bothering us in our heart. We never realized how much they have gone through to bring us to this state. of mind, state of abundance, state of beauty. Give gratitude to our parents for bringing all the riches and abundance in our life, for giving us love, for making us strong and resilient. And if our parents were strong, disciplined, strict, please forgive them. Whatever they did, they were unaware of what they are doing. Let us heal from this area of feeling. Awareness to your energies, to your mind, body, and soul. Feel this divine yellow light transmitting from the universal energies from your crown chakra to every cell of your body. Feel the divine light moving from your forehead to every cell of your body and healing it, loving it, protecting it, and taking care of it. Once you're done, just release your both hands from your heart chakra. Massage your palms, feel this energy, feel this warmth. Place your palms on your eyes. Feel this love and gratitude transmitting to every cell of your body through this energy. The water that we took, we will drink half of the water because all the healing has taken place. All what we wanted to release has been released, and half we can put it into one pot, which we feel our ancestors are blessing those pots. Okay. If you feel you don't have any pot, you can put it into Mother Earth. No worries. जनरली लोगों के पास पॉट्स होते हैं, कुछ होता है तो उसमें आप डाल दो, या फिर आप उसको सॉइल में छोड़ दो, मिट्टी में डाल दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. And just allow this energy to in your mind, body, and soul. You can sip in water slowly and nicely, feel its taste, feel how precious this water is today after all this blessing, all this guidance from our ancestors.